Motivation is the invisible force that shapes our actions, fuels our ambitions, and transforms our intentions into reality. It is the driving energy behind every achievement, from the smallest daily task to the most extraordinary human accomplishment. Understanding motivation unlocks the secrets of human behavior and provides a roadmap for personal and professional success. Motivation is the process that initiates, guides, and sustains goal-directed behaviors. Derived from the Latin word movere, meaning to move, it reflects the fundamental concept of being moved into action. This psychological force explains why we do what we do, encompassing everything from basic survival instincts to pursue complex personal goals. At its core, motivation addresses three essential questions. What gets us started? What keeps us going? What determines the intensity and direction of our efforts? These questions underpin our understanding of human behavior across all contexts. Intrinsic motivation arises from internal satisfaction, personal growth, and genuine enjoyment. The reward is in the activity itself, learning for the love of knowledge or creating art for creative expression. Extrinsic motivation comes from external rewards or pressures, such as money, grades, recognition, or approval. The activity is a means to an end rather than an end in itself. Consider a student studying. Intrinsic motivation drives them to explore subjects because they find them fascinating, whilst extrinsic motivation pushes them to achieve high marks to please parents or secure future opportunities. Both types can be powerful, but they lead to different experiences and outcomes. Research reveals a fascinating psychological phenomenon. Extrinsic rewards can actually reduce intrinsic motivation, transforming enjoyable activities into mere obligations. When we receive external incentives for activities we already enjoy, our brain attributes our behavior to the reward rather than internal satisfaction. This effect highlights the delicate balance between internal drives and external incentives, suggesting that not all rewards enhance motivation. Sometimes they undermine it entirely. Psychologists have developed many frameworks to explain the complexities of human motivation. These theories provide essential lenses through which we can understand the diverse forces that drive behavior across different contexts and individuals. Drive reduction theory focuses on biological needs. Self-efficacy emphasizes belief in one's ability to succeed. And Maslow's hierarchy outlines a pyramid of human needs guiding motivation. Abraham Maslow's influential model presents human needs in a 5-level hierarchy. As individuals satisfy lower-level needs, their motivation progresses upwards, enabling them to pursue higher levels of personal growth and fulfillment. The model suggests we cannot focus on creative self-expression if we're struggling to meet survival needs. For example, a person must first feel physically safe before they actively seek meaningful social connections or pursue creative endeavors. This framework helps explain why motivation varies dramatically across different life circumstances, and why meeting fundamental needs is essential for growth. Motivated behaviors have deep evolutionary roots aimed at enhancing survival and reproductive success. The drives that compel us to seek food, form social connections, and protect ourselves evolved over millions of years, ensuring our ancestors' fitness. Understanding the evolutionary basis of motivation helps explain why certain drives feel universal whilst others vary between individuals. These ancient mechanisms still influence modern behavior, from workplace competition to social media engagement, even in contexts far removed from ancestral environments. Motivation exists within a temporal framework where the past, present, and future continuously interact. Temporal perspectives profoundly affect how strongly and in what ways motivation manifests. For example, a person focused on immediate rewards might act differently from someone oriented towards long-term career goals, even when engaged in similar activities. Understanding your temporal orientation can help you align strategies with your natural motivational rhythms. Rigorous research methodologies ensure that evidence, not intuition, grounds our understanding of motivation. By combining multiple approaches, researchers build comprehensive models that account for motivation's complexity across diverse populations and situations. Experimental designs manipulate variables to test causal relationships. Observational studies reveal natural motivational patterns, and measurement tools provide quantitative data on motivation levels and types. Motivation is a complex, dynamic force that blends internal desires with external influences to shape every aspect of human behavior. It is neither purely biological nor entirely learned, but an intricate interaction of evolutionary drives, cognitive processes, environmental factors, and personal experiences. Whether in education, work, or daily life, understanding motivation unlocks potential and achievement. Embrace motivation as the key to purposeful action and meaningful success. By recognizing what truly drives you and aligning your goals with your authentic motivational profile, you can create sustainable pathways to excellence and fulfillment. Discover what truly drives you and unlock your potential for success. Embrace the journey of understanding motivation and let it guide you towards achieving your dreams and aspirations.